Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for watching our content. We love you so much. It's devastating news today as a young adventurer who documented his travels on YouTube has died in a freak snowstorm in the Swedish wilderness after sending a heartbreaking final message to his grandmother. Storm Beul, 22, a nature lover who enjoyed being alone, was found dead in Lapland on October 30th after spending much of the year hiking solo through the remote Jokkmokk region. He became caught in a devastating blizzard the night before, telling his grandmother in a tragic final message, "It's snowing heavily here, but don't worry, I will survive, you know." Storm also sent a video to a friend showing how the intense snowfall had filled his shoes and backpack, while the wind battered his tent. His friend reportedly warned him about the risks, but Storm appeared not to be worried about that point. Miss Wedmarker, his mother, said her son had also broken his nose when he was found, suggesting he had fallen